This is a battery replacement for a customer whose battery had been going bad. Now we're going to open up the computer and take a look at it. The customer also needed a bottom cover replacement, as the one he had on the computer beforehand had started to break. Okay, so we have our battery replacement here, just making sure that everything looks genuine. Plugging the battery back in and it fits, screwing it in. We're gonna put the bottom cover now, just for testing, and then make sure that the computer turns on with the new battery. And the work is done, the computer is ready to be picked up.